So dear student, as you all know, today we are going to discuss the questions related to which are R.S. Agarwal, R.D. Sharma or many more books which you are studying for the challenging questions. Okay. So today we are only discussing about all the challenging questions. One of the question I am giving you as you have to subtract 11 from 18. Okay. Now what you do? Always remember you have to not think which number is greater from here. जब भी अगर आपके पास ये लिखा हुआ हो कि आपको सेपरेट करना है तो आप बड़ा या छोटा नहीं देखते बेटा, आप केवल ये देखते हो कि which number is subtracting from which number. Okay, so here if you will observe, it is telling you have to subtract from 18. 18 will come here. Okay, 18 will come here. Now you have to subtract. So subtract का sign means minus. Subtract का sign means minus. Now what you need to subtract? You need to subtract 11. Okay, so you have written this. Now 18 minus 11 means you will get the answer 7. Simple answer will be 7 over here. Okay, now on the basis of this, I am changing my question again. Now tell me, if my question is you have to subtract 1 from minus 18. Solve and tell me the answer. 1 from minus 18. So student, remember the question which I gave you is, because this is only the confusion part beta. This is only the confusion part. Now listen, always remember, अब ये छोटे बच्चों वाला सब्ट्रैक्शन आपको नहीं करना बेटा. अब आप बड़े बच्चे हो गए हो ना, तो जब हम बड़े बच्चे हो जाते हैं तब हम प्रोसेस कौन सी करते हैं? बड़े बच्चों वाली, है ना? तो आप what will you do now? See, it's telling you have to subtract. Subtract करने का मतलब ये है कि you have to put the sign of minus. Subtraction करने का साइन तो यही होता है बेटा. So I have put this. Always remember, from जो नंबर लिखा है from which number, from मतलब इसमें ये बोल रहा है you have to subtract 1 from this. From this मतलब it will come first. So I'll write it down minus 18. सबसे पहले हमने minus 18 लिख दिया. Now subtract करना है, तो subtract करना मतलब हो गया minus. Now what to subtract? You have to subtract only 1. So I'll write it down here only 1. ठीक है? Now you have minus 18 minus 1. Now use the concept of integer. Minus 18 minus 1. Both are same signed numbers. Both are same signed. So it means both will be added together and answer will come minus 19. So the answer will be minus 19, not minus 17, dear. Your answers are right now. Now I gave you the question 3 from minus 11. Now what will you do? सबसे पहले you will write down minus 11. Now you are subtracting beta. तो subtracting मतलब minus का sign. Now what will you subtract? You will subtract 3. So you will write it down here only 3. Now what you need to do? It's minus 11, it's minus 3. Both are same signed. It means both will be added together and answer will be minus 14. Your answer is very correct. Now I am going to give you a little complex question. ठीक है, देखते हैं कितने लोगों का सही आता है. ठीक है, so my question is now you have to subtract this time minus 3 from minus 11. Now let me see who are doing it correct. So dear students, I gave you now the next challenging question which is little different from it. Pattern will remain same beta. Pattern will not be changed. It is telling you have to subtract minus 3 from minus 11. तो सबसे पहले बेटा you are knowing we have minus 11. पहले हम लिखेंगे यहाँ पे minus 11 because we are subtracting from minus 11. Now actually we are subtracting it. So इस minus का sign तो बेटा आएगा ही आएगा. This minus 11 will come for sure and then the sign of subtraction. Now you have to subtract minus 3. Okay. तो आपने पढ़ा होगा कि एक जंगल में दो शेर नहीं रह सकते. वैसे ही एक मयान में दो तलवारें नहीं रह सकती, तो वैसे ही एक साथ दो नेगेटिव साइन नहीं रह सकते, वो झगड़ा करेंगे। तो हम क्या करेंगे, हम इस वाले नंबर को सेव करने के लिए वी विल पुट द ब्रैकेट, because we are getting two negative signs coming together and एक जंगल में दो शेर not possible. Okay, so what we will have now, एक जंगल का एक ही राजा होता है, so we will put this one in a form of bracket. Now -11 will remain like this only. Now we will use the concept of negative जो हमने पढ़ा था. This negative sign will make this 3 as a positive. तो ये नेगेटिव इसको बना देगा पॉजिटिव और नंबर आ जाएगा 3. नाउ -11 + 3, आंसर विल कम -8. So the correct answer is -8. Now students whose answer is -8, please raise your hand. Beta, the question which right now I am giving is little bit challenging, not little bit, I can tell you it is more challenging, but if you have to focus and properly, you will be doing it very properly. Now look at here, this question is divided into many parts. It is telling you have to subtract the sum of this from the sum of this. It means ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेट है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, इस क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा सा सिंपल बनाएंगे. सिंपल कैसे बनाते हैं बेटा क्वेश्चन को, सबसे पहले तो हम इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. इट इज टेलिंग यू हैव टू सॉल्व द सम ऑफ, सम मतलब होता है एडिशन, so -3 + 8. I hope you must be knowing -3 + 8 both are different signed. So when you will solve it, you will get it +5, or you can simply write it down only 5. Both are fine. ठीक है, so पहला स्टेप हमने सॉल्व कर लिया, that is correct. अब now move on to the next line. It is telling sum of -5 and -11. It means -5 plus -11. Both are same signed, both will be added together. So added together means they will give you -16. Okay, we have got -16. Now our question is become now simple one. What is simple? Subtract करना है आपको. क्या subtract करना है बेटा? 5 subtract करना है from -16. So you will write it down -16. Okay, now you are subtracting from, तो from वाला आपने लिख लिया पहले. Now minus, because the sign of subtraction. Now what to subtract beta? -5, or sorry, simple 5. You have written this. Now -16 -5 are same signed, so they will be solved. Answer will be -21. Finished.